Good afternoon. The topic is, you have already seen the topic. Uh, Topic is see your past. Though I am going to include this lecture in the chapter of special theory of relativity, but to speak the truth, this topic is not under the chapter of special theory of relativity. This is quite interesting, and I cannot make a separate chapter for this. So that's why I'm going to include this topic in the chapter of special theory of relativity. Once again, I want to mention clearly that this topic is not under the chapter of special theory of relativity. Okay? So topic is what? See your past. The title itself is quite interesting. Suppose in the daytime you are able to see the sun. If cloud is not there, if the sky is clear, then you are able to see the sun. And you know that light needs 8 minutes and 19 seconds of time to reach to the surface of earth from sun. Means light rays emitted from sun takes 8 minutes and 19 seconds to reach sun. And after reaching those light rays to our eyes, we are able to see the sun. So, if the sun is destroyed right now, we will be able to see the sun for 8 minutes and 19 seconds more. And there will be no effect of earth on earth if sun is destroyed right now. The effect can be felt by the earth after 8 minutes and 19 seconds. What is the function of sun? Why we are dependent upon sun? Because the earth is bound by the gravitational attraction of sun, and that's why earth is making revolutions around sun. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction, the gravitational force of attraction is felt instantaneously, but that is not true. After the discovery of general theory of relativity by Albert Einstein, it was proved theoretically that gravitational waves travel at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. That is, the speed of the gravitational wave is same as that of light. Okay? So Earth would felt the effect of loss of gravitational attraction after 8 minutes and 19 seconds of time. And then the effect will be felt by Earth. The Earth will leave its orbit after destruction of sun. But in between these two events, 8 minutes and 19 seconds of time will be elapsed. So that is not our topic of discussion here. Question is, we can see the sun which is 8 minutes and 19 seconds old. Right? Means we are able to see the past of the sun. We are not able to see the present of the sun. Whatever we see in the sky as a sun, it is 8 minutes and 19 seconds old. Whenever you are seeing your reflection in the mirror, it is also old. It is old by of the order of nanoseconds. Say you are standing 1 meter away from the mirror, then your reflection is 2 meters away from your body. Okay, it is 2 meter away, and light has the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So to travel 2 meter distance, it will take almost few nanoseconds. Okay, you can calculate it. In 1 second, light travels 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So for 2 meter, how long it will take? For 2 meter distance, how long it will take? You can calculate it. It will be in the order of nanoseconds. Now come to our interesting story. See your past. Say you are interested to see your past. Say you are 26 years old. 26, 26. You are 26 years old. And you are interested to see your past, which is 25 years old. Means you want to see yourself when you were a child of 1 year old, of 1 year age only. You were a child of 1 year age only. You are now 26 years old. 25 years back, your age was only 1 year. Might be that time you were in the lap of your mother, or you were strolling around your housing premises. Okay? So, is that possible or not? Yes, it is possible. You know light year. Light has a tremendous speed. The speed is 3 lakh kilometers per second. So, in 1 year time, how long light will travel? It will travel 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. This what? Into this product multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter is equal to the distance in meter which light will travel in 1 year of time. So that is called light year. Similarly, light second, that term is also used. The distance traveled by light in 1 second, that is 3 lakh kilometers, or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter. That much of distance is called 1 light second. So you are now 26 years old. So in 25 years, how long light will travel? In 25 years, it will travel 25 multiplied by 1 light year distance. 25 multiplied by 1 light year distance. That is 25 light year. That is the distance. Suppose at that distance, one planet is there. And by using any technology, say teleportation technology, though still this technology is not developed, experiments are going on this technology, teleportation technology. Means you can disappear and reappear anywhere in the universe. Say you can disappear here and reappear in the planet Mars instantaneously, almost within no time. Okay, that technology is called teleportation technology. And to travel from here to Mars, from Earth to Mars, space travel is not required. For teleportation technology, space travel is not required. That is another thing. Totally, absolutely another thing. Okay? That will be discussed in another video. What is teleportation technology? Okay? You know that God disappears suddenly, appears suddenly. God can move from here to any other place within no time. Okay? So that concept is used in the in teleportation technology. Okay, that thing, not that concept, that idea is being tried by the scientists to develop. Anyway, leave those things. Say you are able, or any other man, say one alien is sitting in a planet which is 25 light years away from Earth. So from there, if someone, by the help of telescope, if that man focus his telescope to the earth, then that person or that alien will be able to observe the earth which is 25 years old. Okay, because that planet is at a distance of 25 light years from earth. So right now, if that man or that alien or that person is focusing his attention by the help of a telescope to the earth, to your house, to the location of your house, so that person would be able to see you when you were only 1 year old. Only 1 year old. Because whatever he is right now seeing by his eyes, that is 25 years old. So 25 years back, 25 years ago, you were a child of only 1 year. And if in another planet, say that planet is 50 light years away, so from there if someone trying to observe the earth, then he would notice that still you have not taken birth. Because right now you are only 26 years old. So 50 years back you are not taken birth. Okay. So this was the topic of discussion for this lecture. So what is the conclusion? It is possible to see your past. Whatever we see in the night sky, thousands of stars. In bare eyes, only few stars we can observe. But by the help of telescopes, thousands of lakhs of, billions of stars are visible. Might be most of them are not now present. Might be they have been destroyed millions of years ago. So whatever we see in the night sky is just the past. Okay? It's just the past and nothing else. So once again, I want to remind you that the reflection which you see in the mirror, that is also old by few nanoseconds. So it is possible to see your past. So if one day teleportation technology is developed, then that time you will be able to see your past. Okay, this is the end of this lecture. Thank you.